Focus groups are a powerful research method used to gather in-depth insights from a group of people. Unlike surveys or one-on-one interviews, focus groups allow researchers to observe dynamic discussions, uncover shared opinions, and explore differences in perspectives. But how do you design and moderate a successful focus group? Let's break it down. What is a focus group? A focus group is a small, structured discussion involving 6 to 12 participants who share common characteristics related to the research topic. A moderator leads the conversation using a set of guided questions, encouraging open and honest dialogue. For example, if a company is launching a new fitness app, they might conduct a focus group with gym goers, athletes, and casual exercisers to understand what features they would find most useful. This discussion can reveal user preferences, concerns, and expectations that the company might not have considered. How to design an effective focus group. A successful focus group starts with careful planning. First, define your research objective. What do you want to learn? Are you exploring customer opinions, social behaviors, or public attitudes? Next, select your participants wisely. They should represent the target audience for your study. For example, if you're researching college students' mental health, your focus group should consist of students from different majors, years, and backgrounds. Once you have your participants, prepare a discussion guide with open-ended questions that encourage deep conversation. Avoid questions with simple yes/no answers. Instead of asking, "Do you like online learning?" ask, "What do you like or dislike about online learning?" This invites participants to share experiences and opinions in detail. How to moderate a focus group. The role of the moderator is crucial in guiding the discussion while keeping participants engaged and on topic. Begin by setting the ground rules. Encourage respect, active listening, and open-mindedness. Start with warm-up questions to help participants feel comfortable, such as, "Tell us your name and one thing you enjoy about learning." Once the group feels at ease, move into deeper discussions. A good moderator should encourage participation, ensure everyone has a chance to speak, ask follow-up questions. If someone shares an interesting point, ask, "Can you elaborate on that?" Manage dominant speakers. Gently redirect the conversation to quieter participants. Stay neutral. Avoid showing personal opinions that might influence responses. For example, if a focus group is discussing the impact of social media on mental health, the moderator might ask, "How has social media affected your stress levels?" If someone dominates the conversation, the moderator can turn to another participant and say, "What do you think? Have you had a similar or different experience?" When to use focus groups in research. Focus groups are most useful when you need exploratory insights rather than statistical data. They help researchers understand why people think, feel, or behave in certain ways. They are commonly used in market research, to test product ideas, branding strategies, or advertising messages. Social sciences, to explore cultural beliefs, public opinions, or community concerns. Education research, to understand student learning experiences or curriculum effectiveness. Healthcare studies, to gather patient perspectives on medical treatments or public health policies. For example, if a university wants to improve student engagement, conducting a focus group with students from different departments can reveal common frustrations, needs, and expectations. Final thoughts. Focus groups provide rich, qualitative insights that other research methods might miss. They allow for real-time discussions, uncovering attitudes, emotions, and group dynamics that help researchers gain a deeper understanding of their subject. If designed and moderated effectively, focus groups can be an invaluable tool for gathering feedback, shaping policies, and improving products or services. So, whether you're a student, researcher, or business professional, mastering the art of conducting focus groups will elevate your research and decision-making process. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe.